So, I got some news for you guys. At first, we decided not to take Hercules to California for the arm drop that's coming up. But JJ called my dad the other day, or today actually, and said he wanted the car there. So we got some work to do. We got to finish building the catch can, some plumbing here and there. There's a few things we have to finish up to get it race ready for California. So changing the rear gear, a couple other things. But I'm going to go over to my buddy Adam Hennard's shop. We call him Combine. But JJ gave him that nickname because he's a farmer. But anyways, we're going to go over there, see what Dad's got going on. He's going to be doing a couple things to the car. I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around. And tomorrow we'll actually have the car here in the shop, be able to finish everything up, get it loaded, get it ready to roll out. Because tomorrow we're headed to California. It's going to be a couple-day trip probably. Not no way we're going to drive that. You know, I don't know. It's probably 27 hours, maybe more than that. I don't know. It's going to be a hell of a haul. But that's the plan. So you guys will get to check all that out, and I'll take you with me, and we'll make a video of the small tire race, the big tire race. Probably throw a couple test and tune clips in there, and some other stuff that I can film while I'm there. Should be pretty cool. The video should turn out nice, and hopefully this one is pretty good too. So yep, we'll see you over there. All right, guys, we're headed to go check out Hercules. My dad's over there right now. I think he's changing out the chunk in the rear end. Had some issues with that. Started getting noisy. So he's doing that right now. You guys will get to see a full walk around of the car before we bring it over to the house. Should be bringing it back over here tomorrow to finish everything up, load it all in the trailer, leave out tomorrow night, headed to California. So once I get there, you guys will get to see everything. So we'll be there just real quick. Well, here it is. It's old Hercules. Hercules got a new makeover. It's still a bucket of boat, but it's a nice, pretty bucket of boat now. Let me see where it cracked at. That ain't good. What'd you say? This over here is a 456 gear? This one is. A little bit wore out. What'd you put in there? 430? And the AFCO shocks on there. I can't get up here and show you the motor. When he gets it down, I'll show it to you. See if I can get up under here. There you go. Just got that blower back. When was that? Friday or something? Friday. Got the blower back from Pro Charger. This car is a 1972 Nova that Dad bought from Jamie Ott. He was building it for a radio car. It had ladder bars and body wasn't cut up. Still had the factory floor pan in it. And I walk in the shop one day and he's in there cutting on it with a sawzall. And this is what it is of today. That's not fiberglass. And that's not a tube chassis. That's the real frame rails that was on this dude in 1972. When he gets it down, I'll show you inside the car. It's got the factory glove box, ashtray. It's a real deal car. Farthest thing from a Pro Mod. It weighs 3,200 pounds with a little bit of weight in the back of it. What do you think the lightest you can get it is? What, 29? 29.50, something like that. Got a lot of 4-link adjustment. And these brackets were actually longer and he cut them here. And they still hit the ground sometimes. You hit a big pothole or something on the return road. Anti-roll bar. Used to have a lot of rubber on it. I'm missing a couple things. Carburetor's been sent off to IRD. Should be here. What'd you say, tomorrow? This is the F1X-12. The Rossler Turbo 400 2-speed. They call it Turbo Glide. Pro Torque bolt together converter. It's a Brodix all aluminum solid block with dart heads on it. No water. A little dirty under here. That's been smashed a few times from popping a couple wheelies. Better that than oil pan. Oh, easy. Easy. It's all right.